Mr. Anurag has joined with us. So he is the senior faculty in this Art of Living community. And now I will hand over the session to Mr. Anurag with a warm welcome to do this, your activities and all for the stress-free, stress relieving sort of thing. So thank you, sir.
Namaste, thank you so much. मेरी आवाज और वीडियो क्लियर है? Yes. I can
Yes,
see
it is.
Dr. Vinod
Yes.
sir. Namaskar. I can see some of videos. Shekhar Yadav and few people were with him. So very good afternoon to all of you. Namaskar and all the people who are here. So the topic is stress management, right? Yes, no? Yeah, maybe some of us can, if you can start our video. So maybe few of us, so at least I will have the response. Yeah, or maybe in between you can just respond. Yes, no?
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you. So पहले थोड़ा बातचीत करेंगे and then we'll this session will make it more participative and practical. थोड़ा इसको experience भी करेंगे, stress management पे बात तो करेंगे ही कैसे स्ट्रेस होता है, कैसे इसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं, पर साथ में हम उससे उसका एक्सपीरियंस भी कुछ प्रोसेसेस करेंगे जिसको हम आगे भी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, जो हम प्रैक्टिकली अनुभव करेंगे कैसे हमारा एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ रहा है थोड़ी देर में, कैसे हमारा स्ट्रेस खत्म हो रहा है, राइट. सो विल पार्टिसिपेट जहाँ पर भी है वहाँ पर. So can we अच्छा यहाँ पर चैट का भी तो होगा ऑप्शन, if everybody is writing I can see the chat, right?
Yes, option is there.
Yeah, option is there. So अगर मैं एक प्रश्न के साथ ही शुरू करते हैं कि मतलब जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर हैं आपके हिसाब से what is stress?
Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. Anurag.
Yes.
The participants are across the country and from the south and north also. So I hope maybe some of them may find difficulty in Hindi.
English. Yeah, language.
Okay.
I'll talk in both. Anything important and relevant, I'll speak both in English and Hindi. Thank you so much for.
Yes.
So, what is the definition of stress according to us? What we understand by stress? Why stress happens? क्यों होता है stress? Stress की परिभाषा हमारे हिसाब से क्या है? Can we just write in the chat?
When we do not feel happiness.
Yeah, but when we don't feel happiness, what happens? Financial burdens exceeds. Okay.
Shubham Mishra is writing.
Sir, when we work continuously. Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Sir,
yes.
when we work continuously and we don't get the desired outcome, and then we feel stress actually for longer hours if we work and we don't get the expected outcome.
Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया.
Sir, my definition.
Yes, Varsa Chaurasia is has written. Strong emotional or
condition we are not able to control. Yes, very nice. Very nice.
Resistance to the input.
Miss Varsa Chaurasia has written. Strong emotional or physical tension, feeling are being frustrated.
करते हैं और चीजें उस हिसाब से नहीं होती. I'm reading the chats. People are writing. Wonderful. Maybe we can write in the chat. That will be faster. So quickly we can write in the chat.
Yes, many of participants have written on the chat. May I read for you?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, sir.
So, okay. So, Shubham Mishra has written, financial burdens exceed when Miss Varsha Chaurasia has written strong emotional or physical tension, feeling of being frustrated. Mr. Gurpreet Singh has written the state of mind when condition we are not able to control.
Okay.
Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad Desai, things are not happening what we plan. Isita Sharma, Baista Sharma, when the demands of the hour go beyond our capabilities, we feel incompetent.
Yes.
Mr. Brajesh, who is just sitting beside me, due to overthinking, and Mr. D. Martin, Suresh Babu, resistance to input, and Professor Giri sir has written, when things are not going as per your desire.
Yes.
Anmol, there are many chats. Stress is a body's reaction to physical and emotional tension.
Yes. Yes.
I hope this is enough input to you
Yeah,
to respond.
I think it's covering all the points. So see, depending on your participation, your understanding, yeah, unable to reach target in profession as well as personal life. Yeah. So we based our session on these inputs only. Yeah. So and we'll go through very practical solutions which we can implement. Yeah. So अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पर जितनी चीजें आप लिख रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं देखिए आप उसको रिलेट करेंगे. If we relate with it, so can we just this one line can actually satisfy all the things which we have written. When demand is more and from us but supply is less. हमसे ज्यादा अपेक्षा है पर हमारी क्षमता उतनी नहीं है. There is more pressure, isn't it? Yeah. And it said this is what Art of Living. Art of Living work on two platforms. One is violence free, जो vision है Art of Living के founder Shishi Ravi Shankar ji. He is a great global humanitarian leader who has been awarded with 3 highest civilian awards for his social work, and he has been awarded with 21 doctorates around the globe. Also in India, he has been awarded with Padma Vibhushan. So lots of work is happening in 157 countries. It's one of the biggest volunteer-based NGO in the world. So the vision is 2 visions. One is violence-free society and second is stress-free society. तो स्ट्रेस और वायलेंस तो कई जगह पे वायलेंस है तो वायलेंस के लिए भी काम होता है. सो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग वर्किंग इन सीरिया, इराक, नॉर्थ ईस्ट, देयर इज मिलिटेंसी, टेररिज्म और trauma or violence. We are working there, our teachers are working there. And then second, ये तो सब जगह नहीं है लेकिन काफी जगह पर है. दूसरा स्ट्रेस फ्री सोसाइटी. तो अभी यहाँ पे जो भी हमने बात करी है स्ट्रेस फ्री सोसाइटी, स्ट्रेस कैसे रहे, तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये एक चीज आती है कि हम अपनी अगर क्षमता को बढ़ा दें, अपनी कैपेसिटी को बढ़ा दें, अपने एनर्जी लेवल को बढ़ा दें, तो स्ट्रेस और कुछ भी नहीं है. अपने आप स्ट्रेस हैंडल हो जाएगा. कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपने सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी पे काम करने की जरूरत है. तो कुछ ऐसे सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी हैं जिनको हमको बचपन से पता है कि उन पे अगर हम काम करें, इफ वी वर्क ऑन दोज सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी वी कैन हैंडल स्ट्रेस. सो basically, once one day we get up in the morning and we have a very good deep rest, deep sleep, and there is no thought in the morning, we feel very enthusiastic, energetic, there is a hope, there is a positivity. So how the day goes, everybody wants such mornings. Yes, no? Yeah. So what happens, why you feel so high, why you feel so enthusiastic, happy in the morning? क्यों लगता है? You have had a very good deep rest and mind is free, mind is happy, isn't it? So this is one of the source of energy. So energy also we can say prana. ये हमारे लिए कोई, especially in India, it's not a new word. Prana. What is prana? The subtle life force energy. The energy within us which is governing our life, which is the child channelizing our life. This is prana. Use a Sanskrit word. In English we can say, हिंदी में हम इसको प्राण शक्ति कहते हैं, संस्कृत में प्राणा, and in English we say life force energy. Yeah, the positivity within us, the enthusiasm within us, the definitely physical energy within us. This is prana. And if we work on this prana, if we work on this subtle life force energy, then automatically stress की बात तो दूर है. Stress तो one thing which is in decreasing our creativity and productivity because of stress. Stress तो जाएगा ही, our productivity and creativity will enhance. Here we are talking about stress. In Art of Living, we'll take stress ko, we can finish stress and all those things in 7-10 days by practicing all this. Stress is gone. Now every day you do something, stress is gone. Now above stress, when there is no stress, then what? More productivity. When you have this subtle life force energy, more creativity. Any challenge come, any new thing come, you can take up that challenge and you can, So this is what evolution, this is what the purpose, जो भी चीज हम कर रहे हैं, whatever we are doing, we are handling our stress. Now we are happy how we are excelling in that, in our research, in our academics, in our administration. So actually, we can, if we work on these 4 sources of energy, 4 sources of prana, then it will really work. And now I want to know from you, definitely I will add new things because we know from where we'll get this prana. So can you share, all of you can just share on the chat rather than, unmuting and speaking yourself. Unmute or या speak करने के पहले आप खुद से chat पे बताएं कि कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हम करते हैं या कहां से हमको ये प्राणा या सटल लाइफ फोर्स एनर्जी मिलती है, या हम ऐसा क्या करें कि हमें मिलेगा, और मे बी प्रैक्टिकली वी कैन राइट कि हम क्या ऐसा करते हैं. व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी और प्राणा फॉर अस? कैन वी राइट इन द चैट? So once we have written, we will talk, we'll do some interaction, and at the last half an hour, we will do some processes and some meditation so that we will see how in half an hour before lunch our prana increase. But before it, and let's have some discussion. तो आप लिखें कि कहाँ से आपको ये ऊर्जा मिलती है, प्राण शक्ति मिलती है. It's a time to focus on it. Go back to the source. Am I audible? Yes.
You are
audible, right?
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Looking for the chat. Yeah. हमें ऊर्जा कहाँ से मिलती है? From where we get subtle life force energy? By taking morning sun bathing. Okay. ये बहुत छोटे-छोटे, बहुत सिंपल है, हम डे टू डे लाइफ में करते ही हैं, है ना? By taking food, very practical, very simple. Yeah. Food. Breathing air, very nice.
You see,
Keeping
happy
parents.
things.
See, so practical and giving smile. Wonderful, अतुल जी. सब लिख रहे हैं, सब वहाँ देखिए, एकदम सिंपल प्रैक्टिकल डे टू डे लाइफ की चीजें. और कहाँ से मिलती है?
When we see happy things surrounding us.
Very nice. Playing with kids, yoga, helping needing people, reading good books, spreading smile. Wonderful. So actually, whatever we are sharing, it will be categorized in 4 parts. You are going wonderfully. Everybody is writing. Just participate. उन्होंने अभी तक नहीं लिखा है.
Mr. Dhananjay has written, in fact, you are using his ID, is written, when we are doing our interesting work and by which we feel happiness.
Yes. By doing our interesting work. Wonderful. So, acha, now if we see the chat, जो मैंने, हाँ, by reading good books, meditation, दिव्या जी ने लिखा है. Wonderful. So see, if we categorize whatever we have written, it will exactly go into playing. Exactly go into category. The first category now, I need attention of everyone. Agar I will suggest you to keep a copy and pen, because with a few things, I will add value to our life. Definitely, हमको पता है, you be ready with a copy and pen. So the first category, अगर हम category, I think somebody is unmuted. Thank you. So the first category, and very simple, whenever spend time near to nature. Wonderful, Naveen ji. Yeah. तो ये जो लिख रहे हैं ना, playing with kids, giving and taking smile, spending time with nature, you know, हम सब क्या lawn होगा, you know, when you do some plantation, मिट्टी के साथ कुछ करते हैं, you know, you sweet, yeah, sweat releases more stress than sugar. Yeah, you are right. Yeah. So 4 sources of energy में ये पूरा आ जाएगा. The first source of energy is food. Now we have to understand here, because our medical science also have not done so much research like Jainism and Ayurveda has done. You know, medical science is so popular, but you know, what type of food we should eat and what type of food we should not eat, when we should eat, when we should not eat. You know, ये इतना अच्छा हमारे भारत में इतना बढ़िया इस पे रिसर्च हुआ है, और हमारे जीवन की पद्धति भी थी. It was part of our life. The food, you know, it said that, you know, high prana food when we eat, and we know all these things. हम सबको सब कुछ पता है, but little bit of awareness is important, and nobody is going to take care of that. We only ourselves are going to take care, or maybe हमारे घर में जो भोजन बनाते हैं ladies, or we can just make them aware, or they are aware, you know, just putting more light on it. So high prana food is important. What is high prana food? Like I said, subtle life force energy, fresh food, locally grown vegetables, you know, no, not preservative, chemical free food. जो भी आपको local मिल रहा है, seasonal food, fresh dairy products. Then we eat more of preservative packed food, basi food. Then it is going to kill our prana. Yeah. Like, you know, you see, once we are very hungry, like किसी ने लिखा sweat किए रहते हैं, once we are very hungry, you know, rice, dal in a right amount with green vegetables is good. We should take more of salads, ज़्यादा salad लेना चाहिए. We should take fruit. इसको habit में डालना चाहिए. Easily digestible food, and it is important. Timings are also, you know, eat breakfast nicely, then lunch, then dinner. Dinner ideally should be finished by 8 o'clock, because most of us in our when a few years back, you know, people were not having so many diseases. 80-90 years everybody was living. Two things were very important. One thing, they used to eat food by 7 or 8 p.m. in the evening, and they used to sleep by 10 o'clock in the night. 8 baje ki, what happens once we are eating by 8 o'clock, and we know all these things, everybody will. But how many of us really implement that? How many of us finish their dinner by 8 o'clock? And how many of us leaving phone, not touching, not checking WhatsApp, and sleeping, you know, not touching it by 9 or 9:30, or sleeping by 10 or 10:30? If we do this much also, I'm telling you, the energy level will be different in just a few days. So what happens once we finish our food by 8 o'clock? The energy which goes into digestion, you know, the food get digested in 2-3 hours, and we start getting good sleep by 11 o'clock. Then जो हमारे body में जो energy body को repair करने के लिए sleep में चाहिए, वो digestion में नहीं जाती है. When that energy goes into digestion, if we are eating by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and there's food in stomach, yeah, and then 2-3 o'clock के बाद हमको proper तो body पूरा rejuvenate नहीं हो पाती. So early dinner is important, right? And then we can take more of Ayurvedic local things, more of juices, whatever you like, you eat that, but not बहुत पुराना preservatives market की चीजें कभी कभार है तो it's good. So food is the source of energy. अगर हम खुद ही देखें, once you have eaten salads, once you have eaten more green vegetables or all those things, along with little bit of sweet or a little bit of spicy things, that's I'm not telling that don't eat that, but If we go too much on pizza or junk foods or all those things, you see how we feel. We feel little low after eating that. Amount also matters. So you know, this is one thing. Food, we really need to take care of food. And also one thing, किस तरीके से food prepare किया गया है, किस तरीके से, किस मन से उसको परोसा जा रहा है. Because in our, it has been said that जैसा खाएं अन्न वैसा होए मन. How we eat, that how we become. Now, in when the lockdown started in April, we were going through one research. We got in our Art of Living group that now Harvard is doing research. Harvard से एक research आया, और it has been, हमारे दादी और हमारे घर में कितने लोग इसको पहले से ही बोलते थे कि जैसा खाते हो अन्न जैसे मन वैसा तुम्हारा मन हो जाता है. बाहर का ये सब मत खाओ. जैसे हम लोग कभी मेले में चले गए, दशहरा आ रहा है या बाहर का खा के आते थे, तो फिर you know, sometimes we go out and, you know, being children. So the Dadi Ma used to tell that bahar ka jaisa khate ho waise you will become that. So it said that the food we eat, the bacteria in the food in the stomach decides how our mind will be. मन की स्थिति जो हमारे पेट में भोजन में जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं वो निर्धारित करते हैं. ये रिसर्च आया हार्वर्ड में. So it's important that we are eating sattvic food, high prana food, and there are 3 types of food. I'll talk for 2 more minutes. One is sattvic food. Sattvic means what? Jisko khane ke baad you're feeling uplifted, you're feeling light, the food is getting digested easily and you're feeling good also. So this is sattvic food. Second is rajasic food. If you are eating more of spices, more of onion, garlic, more of masala, or maybe sometime junk food. So what happens? It's good sometimes. You know, rajas is important, but now then, bechani body mein ho rahi hai. You know, you don't, mind is not subtle. Food is very, very important. Pet mein puri tarah se digest nahi hua, then it shows on the body and mind. The mind is more restless. Body kai log ki hilti rehti hai. It's not subtle. Then thoughts comes. You know, craving and aversions. Rag aur dvesh zyada pata hai kab hota hai. Then we have this more of this rajasic food. You know, second, बहुत सारा तली भुनी चीजें कभी खा लिया ठीक है. And then if we have eaten rajasic food, it's okay. But walk is important. Some exercise, some gymming and yoga is very important. Only and only thing you can, you know, उसको आपको handle कर सकते हैं if you have eaten rajasic food by exercise. If you have not done exercise, then it is going to reflect on the level of mind. Second is rajasic food, and third is tamasic food. Why we need to understand this tamasic food? This is the harbinger of toxins in the body. When the food is undigested in the body, it creates ama in the cell. What is ama? In Ayurveda, ama is said toxin. You know, our immunity goes down. You know, undigested food, then all those diseases start, you know, attacking. So it's very important that our intestine should be digested. That's why it is important that, you know, कोई भी ऐसी चीज जिसको digest करने में time लग रहा है, पेट digest नहीं हो रहा. That's why in our system it said that fasting is important. Sometimes give a break to liver, give a break to pancreas, give a break to our intestine and stomach. So food is the source of energy. And one more thing I want to add, that sugar, we should really avoid white sugar. अगर until or unless आप बहुत physical exercise करते हैं, we can go for good. Maybe Deepavali आ रही है, so you don't take commitment just before festival. Somebody you going to some place, little bit you can have, but overall if we avoid this white sugar, आप देखेंगे आपके बॉडी में थोड़ी थकावट है, ये सब है. आप just 7 days के लिए white sugar and also मैदा और कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो easily digest नहीं हो रही है. So this if you take care, then automatically within 2, 3, 4 days you will see your energy level will change. Sugar, 1 spoon of sugar decreases our immunity by 50% for next 2 hours. Aishwarya ji is writing, egg is vegetarian, egg is non-vegetarian. I mean non-veg, we say non-veg. So yeah, medical sciences says that biotin is in that, it's a very good protein, but actually the best protein, I will not go into veg and non-veg. It's fine. You check how it is affecting your mind, how it is good when you eat non-veg, how do you feel? But I say that, you know, you see all the strongest animals. They are all high prana animals and they are all vegetarians. We say lion. Lion is the most lazy animal. The most strongest animal, horse, vegetarian. And the best proteins we get in pulses. Ankurit chana, if you green moons, we all can purchase moon, green moon. You can make, you can just put it in the water and 1 or 2 days it sprouts. And you can, by your taste, you can put some, उसको interesting बना सकते हैं आप मसालों से. It's such a high, good, best protein and high prana food that you can use it in food. And if you take 1 bowl of moong along with roti, dal, sabzi, so what happens? Maybe if we eat more of salads, then हमारा roti और rice का जो quantity है that will decrease. It is good because roti in grain also there's chemical. There's also increased pitta. So we have to see how much we are taking. You know, in our food there should be 60 to 70% protein, amino acids, fibers. You know, 20 to 30% carbohydrates also important. ऐसा नहीं है कि रोटी चावल ये सारी चीजें नहीं. But we'll also keep focus on कितना हम ले रहे हैं. We can spend our little bit in, you know, little rich diet, maybe fruit, vegetables, salads. Yeah. Am I audible? Yeah. Okay.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Sir, you are muted. Sir, Anurag sir. Anurag sir, please unmute yourself.
Abhi theek hai?
Yes, sir.
So,
No, it's fine.
yes, this is, we talk a lot about it. So food we need to take care of, you know, more of dal, vegetables, it's good. And then the second source of energy, sleep, you know. क्या होता है? What is happening? 90% of us are using white light. You know, 6 to 8 hours of sleep is non-negotiable for all of us. अगर हमको लगता है कि 3-4 घंटे में, and अगर आप सोने जा रहे हैं, so उसके please half an hour पहले keep yourself away from social media. आप उसको flight mode में डाल दे अपने फोन के. ऐसे if you have decided to sleep, मेरे को कुछ भी हो जाए, I'll sleep at 10. Yes, sir. Now audible. Thank you. So you can just put your phone on the flight mode and half an hour before no social media. ये थोड़े आप लोग note कर लें. All these things we know, but you know this is actually source of prana these days. ये तो हमको पता है, but I'm putting light on this. A few things now I will talk which we don't know, or maybe some of us know, but again putting light on it. So sleep, 6 to 8 hours of sleep is important. And जो night की sleep होती है ना, because we are not in thermal projects or some, we have a day shift. So we are blessed these days. We are blessed actually. Many people are not blessed. They have night shift, then they have day shift. Software में बहुत सारे multinational companies में लोग काम कर रहे हैं. So we have night, and night is the most beneficial to sleep because it is totally dark. So I suggest, you know, it's a research and I have implemented it. We have read lots and lots of things on sleep. You know, night में ना ये हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा ये जो white light exposure होता है, we have so much of white light exposure. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the nights, you know, in our neurons there is a signal goes that then white light is sun is also white. See, so what we can see that in our living rooms we have yellow or orange light. CFS are available there, and especially after 6 o'clock in the evening till 10-11 o'clock in the evening, if we have white light exposure, then our quality of sleep, आप जब 10 से 11 बजे सो रहे हैं, if you're sleeping by 10-11 o'clock, the quality of sleep postponed till 2 or 3 o'clock. So, and dark, our room should be really inviting, neat, clean. There should not be any TV, nice, neat, clean, total rest. Arrange your bedroom that way, and no light. Even it said that charger ki bhi light na jale to acha. More, it should be more of dark and more of comfortable. So nice sleep, and before sleep, just लेटने के पहले, what you can do. I'll teach a few breathing techniques which can give good rest. But before sleeping, you can just remember that what all good things had happened in daytime. When we sleep with the thought that on the lag, ye cheez theek nahi hui, ye cheez theek nahi hui, ye cheez theek nahi hui, then what happens? Then we sleep with that mind and we get up with that thought. Isn't it? आप देखो ना, किसी थॉट के साथ आप सुबह सोते हैं, रात में सोते हैं, और सुबह उसी विचार के साथ कई बार हम उठते हैं. So at least any good thing, so we should practice this. What good thing has happened in day? कुछ तो अच्छा हुआ होगा, which we can start practicing of being grateful. कैसे grateful हो सकते हैं हम? कुछ तो अच्छा होगा. Anything good happened. So focusing on that, maybe you can write it. You can practice it. That 40 days. नेक्स्ट 40 डेज आप इसको प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. आज इसको एटलीस्ट करिएगा, आज और कल जो भी आपके दिन भर में अच्छा हुआ, वॉट एवर गुड हैज हैपेंड, जस्ट राइट इट ऑन द फोन एंड जस्ट स्लीप विद दैट थॉट कि भाई. सो व्हेन वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर पॉजिटिव थिंग्स इन लाइफ, then it becomes our habit, because mind is trained. I'm coming to that. Mind is trained. When we were child, our mind was totally into the present moment. Now the mind is trained to look negative things. 10 compliments and 1 insult. Mind hold on to insult. It's a tendency of the mind. Yeah, I'll come to that point. So this is sleep, food, sleep, and then breathing. Breathing exercise. Breath is the source of energy. आपके पास कॉपी पेन है तो please note कर लीजिएगा. Now things are going to be more practical and new. Breathing. You see how our breath and emotion is linked. When we are stressed, what happens? Stress में क्या होता है? Our emotion changes and our breathing pattern changes. You see, when little bit of anxiety or fear is there, have you seen the pattern of breath? आप जब बहुत, maybe some of us can write when we are angry or when we are aggressive, agitated, irritated. Have you seen your breath pattern? How it is? Fast. Maybe you can just connect and see how breath pattern changes. It becomes fast, impulsive. When we are sad or depressed, how the breath pattern is there? It's shallow, slow. And when we are happy, relaxed, minded into the present moment, totally into that moment, happy, then breath is long and deep and long breath. So why, when our emotion is changing, our breath pattern is changing. Why, it's regulating our breath, by controlling our breath, by keeping our breath long and deep. Can we do the vice versa? We can do. It's very much connected. So, and why it happens when you go in the negative environment and you meet a person who is very angry or agitated, whether it is your senior or junior, suddenly that emotion catches. Because breath, just like, we say that like the fire catches fire, the same way breath catches breath. So if we are with a person, you can use this trick. If a person is getting angry in our relationship, in घर में wife के साथ or anybody, friends or something, he really get nervous or agitated. Suddenly you feel that vibration. When you start taking long, deep breaths, you will start affecting that person rather than his anger, because his breath is fast, and then our breath also automatically start getting fast, and we also get agitated and angry. So once you take long, deep breaths, that you can control the mind of that person also. It's very practical. But just by not talking, we can implement it. We learn a few techniques today. We learned 2 very powerful and important breathing exercises today. which we can implement every day. It can be intake of this session, and definitely you will feel very nice after practicing it. So we'll learn it today. Breathing is the most important source of energy. It is the third source of energy. Some people wrote food is the first source of energy, sleep is the second source of energy. To increase our prana, to settle life force energy, to increase to reduce our stress in few days, and then increasing our productivity, increasing our creativity, excelling ourselves in life, food and sleep, which we have to take care. Breathing exercises, third source of energy. Without food and sleep, we can survive for a few days, but without breath, can we survive? And please put focus here. A normal person like us, most of us, 30% lung capacity we uses, only 30%. We can use it till to our lungs are, if we spread our lungs, it can be equal to a tennis court. And pulmonologists, like there's cardiology and super specialized medical science, super specialization, like that way. Breathing pulmonology is there. Maybe some of us have heard about it, and they are finding that actually 90% of nutrition, which हमारा जिससे पोषण होता है, we get by breathing. And around more than 90% of toxins of our body, हमारे शरीर की जो नकारात्मक emotional toxins or physical toxins, all together more than 90% of toxins we हमारे system से, it goes out by breathing. And around 10,000 of air we breathe every day. So breathing is so important, but we have not put focus on it. When the lift is not working and you have to go by 2-3 मंजिले पे आपको जाना है, तो second floor, third floor, or fourth floor, you have go to by stairs. Then we realize, oh, there's a breath. Then the breath is heavy, isn't it? So this is the most, and this is the secret of life. This is a secret of stress management. When Buddha was so tired, you have heard about, Buddhism. Buddha was so tired. He realized so many things. He did so much of hard tapasya and all that. And he was in Bodh Gaya. He was lying down below this Bodhi tree. And suddenly, he took long, deep breath in and out. And then as he started putting focus on his breath, he got enlightenment. उनको वहीं पे मोक्ष मिला. So शून्यवाद जो है, शून्यवाद in Buddhism, in so many of so many religions, all the religions and traditions, this breath, we have worked so much on this breath, breathing exercise. So by putting little bit of focus, we can handle our emotions. Like when you take long, deep breaths, and also like I said that 70% we can use our lung capacity. When we do some breathing exercise, athlete and Olympian, जो Olympic में beat करते, the very good Olympians, they actually increase their optimum energy by breathing only. And by breathing you can actually increase your immunity, can increase like anything. There are, we taught around in lockdown, we taught around more than 2 lakh people in last 5 months. Actually 2.5 lakh people in last 5 months undergo Art of Living program. 2.5-3 lakh लोगों ने किया, and more than 50,000 people who 50,000 to 70,000 COVID patients who did this Art of Living program. Amazing results of breathing. Yeah. So we'll also learn. They actually very fast they increased their immunity and they came out of it. So a third source of energy and breath, and the fourth source of energy, like most of us written here, is playing with kids, being with nature, being happy, trading smile. फोर्थ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी जो हमारी प्राण शक्ति का जो चौथा सोर्स है, वो है हैप्पी मेडिटेटिव माइंड. इतना हमारा मन शांत और प्रसन्नचित किसी भी परिस्थिति में रह सकता है. If situation changes, then suddenly some people are very cool. They have adaptability to changes. You know, some people changes, staff changes, senior changes, or your people changes, and suddenly, or your working place change, some new challenges come. So there our excellence get into check. So how much you are calmer, how much you are happier in your working place or in your family place, because challenges are inevitable. Challenges are inevitable. How much happy and peaceful we are in our life, this is the fourth source of energy. So with the help of breath, breathing, and with the help of meditation, some techniques, we can explore this fourth source of energy. So then we'll see that stress is not there, and then we are more productive. Other than these four sources of energy, you can write in the copy. We have 7 level of existences. I'll talk for 5 minutes, and then next half an hour practice will do. So what are the 7 level of existence? The first level of existence is body. अस्तित्व, हमारे अस्तित्व के 7 स्तर हैं. And the first level of existence is body, sharir. 50, 60, 70, 80 our weight is there. When we were born, it was just 2-3 kgs. When we will die with a different weight. So body is the most gross which we can feel. Everybody is here? Yes? आप chat पे लिख सकते हैं. Are you with me? Are you listening to me? Yes? Because it's going to be very interesting now, this next half an hour. So I want, now participation is important. In between I spoke little more. Yeah. So body is the first level of existence, sharir. Subtler than the body. See, we have 7 levels of existence. हमारे अस्तित्व के 7 स्तर हैं. We have to understand it. Subtler than body is breath. Can you feel the breath? I talked about breath. Breathing is very important. We have to optimize we can optimize our energy by breath. Yeah, breathing breath you can feel. It can be hot, it can be cool, it can be long. Maybe we have 2 nostrils, right nostril and left nostril. One nostril will be more active, one nostril will be less active. Yeah, once you are near the airport, you will see that suddenly, or you are in a praying place, गर्भगृह में हैं आप किसी मंदिर या किसी ऐसे, you will see that both the nostrils are active, but most of the time in life, only one nostril is active, whether it is left nostril or right nostril. And there's a beautiful science behind it and so much of research. So the second level of existence is breath. Yeah, जो subtler है body से. The third level of existence is mind, man, which is our mind is all around our body. It is not inside our body. हमारा जो मनोमय कोश है, वो हमारे शरीर के चारों तरफ है. You know, till here 12 inches above the head is our manomay kosh, mind body. Yeah, and this is the mind is you know, when we are stressed, this is one of the very important reason of stress is mind is not in the present moment. You see, most of the times in life, either we are bothered by the aura, yes, aura we can say. And the more, you know, what happens, you know, it's very interesting. When this aura decreases, you know, what is suicidal tendencies? Because this aura, this mind is so much, it's not expanding. In sadness, in depression, this mind body is contrast. And in happiness, it expands. In positivity, it expands. So what happens when this physical body, when this aura or mental body is decreases and it goes, so this is what then people think that, oh, I cannot live more. I just want to finish this body. And this is what suicidal tendencies is the worst thing which one can do for themselves. So that's why this knowledge is very important. Increasing this aura. This happens by food, proper sleep, breathing exercises and meditation, keeping ourselves happy and meditative and busy. So I was coming here to the mind, man. तो क्या है ना, स्ट्रेस का जो कारण है, you see that mind either it is in the past or into the future. नाउ इट इन द पास्ट। भूतकाल में व्यक्ति वस्तु परिस्थिति में ज्यादातर समय मन रहता है, या तो भूतकाल की महिमा मंडन, कोई बात, कोई व्यक्ति, कोई घटना, वो चलता रहता है, और उससे जुड़े वो हमारी भावनाएं कौन सी रहती है? इट कैन बी रेग्रेट और एंगर, गुस्सा या पछतावा। रेग्रेट और एंगर इज ओनली एंड ओनली कनेक्टेड विद पास्ट. And if you see the mind, many of the time it is in the past. Like for example, it is mine. This pen is mine, for example, and then it keep oscillating. It's a past, future, past, future, past, future, past, future. So when it is in the past, maybe past की कुछ अच्छी बातें, some good things of the past, it is there. But generally, what happens? Some कोई व्यक्ति, वस्तु, परिस्थिति, and that keep creating little bit of impulse of regret. Why this happened? और एंगर, कोई व्यक्ति, वस्तु, परिस्थिति हो सकते हैं. सेकेंड थिंग इज और माइंड इट इनटू द फ्यूचर, व्हाट विल हैपन. फियर एंड एंजाइटी, मे बी आप प्लानिंग फ्यूचर में कर रहे हैं, यू आर होपफुल फॉर सम गुड थिंग्स ऑफ फ्यूचर, दैट इज गुड, बट यू सी देयर आर सो मेनी अननेसेसरी फियर्स आर देयर इन ऑफ फ्यूचर. क्या होगा? अभी अपना तो सब सेट हो गया, वी आर इन सो मेनी गुड प्लेसेस. इफ यू सी in our city, if we see, we are into 10%. There are 90% people who are behind us, who are not so successful like us. Yeah. So, but what happens? Then also the thought comes, क्या होगा आगे future में? Maybe thought of our career, maybe thought of our, we were not knowing that we will be here. हमें कुछ पता नहीं था कि हम यहाँ पर होंगे, but फिर भी we have reached here. So what will happen? The best will happen. The good will happen. Unnecessary fear of, because what happens? Mind is into the future, anxiety, fear, and this is the reason of stress. भूतकाल में मन जाता है, भविष्य. आज रिसर्चर्स ये पा रहे हैं, साइंटिस्ट ये पा रहे हैं कि हमारा बॉडी का एक शटल थर्मोस्टेट है, and when we are more into the past and we are more into the regret and anger emotions, then subtle thermostat jitna hona chahiye, it has little bit increased, and then the mind at the same time goes into the future also, and when there is anxiety and fear, then automatically subtle thermostat is less. So the change in the subtle thermostat is creating stress hormones in our body. So automatically, if by some practice, some techniques, if we learn to keep our mind into the present moment, कुछ भी अगर हम अपने मन को वर्तमान में रख लेते हैं, so automatically the problem is solved. The skill is to get the mind into the present moment. और जैसे आप कभी बहुत खुश हैं, you are very happy, you are very, आप देखोगे 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा हमारा कैसे चला जाता है, पूरा दिन कैसे चला जाता है पता नहीं चलता. बट इफ वी आर डिप्रेस और सैड, 5 मिनट और सम थॉट, 5 मिनट ऑल्सो इज लाइक हैवी लगता है. द टाइम इज गोइंग स्लो, इजंट इट? यस और नो? कैन वी जस्ट राइट इन द चैट? When we are very happy, relaxed, the whole day we are active and we don't realize the time. Yes, Aishwarya ji. But when we are sad or maybe one thought is coming and see, that one thought is repetitive thought. It keep coming. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Am I audible? Yes. So, and by some practical tools and techniques, now thought comes of the past or future, past, future. Breath. You see, just by doing some breathing techniques, we can bring our mind into the. It can be done vice versa, because situations will not be in our working place or in our family. People will be there. तो जुड़वा बच्चे होते हैं, two twins. They take birth at the same time. Just 1-2 minute gap. They are totally different. So each and everybody is different. So people will not be according to us. Situation in our family, in our working place. Can we keep ourselves Niharika Didi, yaar, please Yes. So with the help of breath, सांसों की सहायता से, we will bring our mind into the present moment. So everybody is ready for that? Yes. Yeah. So we are going to learn some techniques. कैसे हम अपने mind को present moment में रखें, because situations will be more challenging. We cannot. यार दीदी तुम डिस्टर्ब कर रही। Yes. So everybody is ready to learn some breathing techniques. Yes, no? Yeah. Everybody is here. Most important part of our session today is, these breathing techniques. So can we write in the chat? Maybe we can switch on our video. It would be good so I can watch some of you that how we are doing properly or not. So now we'll bring our mind into the present moment. मन को वर्तमान में लेके आएंगे, the third level of existence. Yes, sir, already. Thank you. Yeah. So some of us can really start our video. So this is the third level of existence. Yeah. So now, yeah. If I'm visible, only my camera. Just a minute. I need 1 minute to just set myself so that you can watch me properly. So now this is one of the first technique. So you see, I have loose fist in front of my shoulders, right? Yeah. And my biceps and ribs are touching together. Okay. Maybe Mr. Brijesh sir, Shekhar sir is there. Shekhar sir is there.
Yes, sir.
Shekhar sir is there. Yeah. Fine. I think can we spotlight Shekhar sir for a while? Because my camera somehow. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I just want to teach them Bhastrika breathing, the normal forceful breaths. So you have done this program. So I hope. So maybe we can spotlight you and I can give instruction. That would be good. Yes. So a loose fist in front of the shoulders, ढीली मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने, yeah. Biceps and elbows touching the ribs. You all can watch Shekhar sir. The elbows are more close to the ribs. आप unmute कर सकते हैं सर अपने आप को. You need not to mute you can mute yourself. Unmute ना रखें. मैं mute करूँगा and your video will be on. Just a minute. So basically ये ना normal forceful breaths हैं. Lungs में forcefully हवा जाएगी and lungs से forcefully निकलेगी. This is called instant energizer. Yeah. Echo is there. So loose fist in front of the shoulders. Sekhar sir, you can take position. Yeah.
Sure,
Maybe
sir.
people can watch you.
Wait a minute, sir. मैं ये यूज कर
So there's some preparation going on. Let's go on time. Little bit of handshake, little bit of हाथ को थोड़ा shake कर लें. Left and right, you can just twist left and right. You can twist your spines. You can just pump your shoulders. And then you can just neck, you can touch your neck to the shoulder. Take your head back and touch. You have learned, body, taking body, little bit of exercise, joint rotations are बैठे, you can just अपने हाथ को थोड़ा सा झाड़ ले आप. So you can just हाथ को झाड़ ले, उसको shake कर ले, and little bit of spinal space touching. Left and go back. Okay, now we learned this alternate nostril breathing. Alternate nostril breathing, like I said, we have two nostrils. So let's put little focus here. Our right nostril is is a Surya Nadi. So when the right nostril is active, you can note it also. Please remember, anything challenging thing you're going to do, any talk you are going to do, listening, talk, discussion, proposals, presentation. So if our right nostril is active, it is good because the Surya Nadi, active dynamism. Our left nostril is Chandra Nadi, Ila and Pingla. Chandra Nadi is when we are doing any emotional thing, rest, music, or anything, love, showing love, care, emotional things. Then left nostril is also important. So we will open and we have more than 1 lakh nadis. Jisme I talked about prana, subtle life force energy. This prana is flowing in the body. So blockages here in the nadis, the blockage, because of stress, there are blockages. So what we will do now, by alternate nostril breathing, we'll open these blockages. और हमको पता ही है, हम करते ही हैं. But we will do 5-minute alternate nostril breathing. लेकिन यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा हम इसको correct करेंगे. This is one of the circuits. So this is the first finger and this is the thumb, slightly touching each other, and these 3 fingers together. It's a left hand we will keep in our knees. धीरे से अपने घुटने पे रख देंगे. And I want everybody to participate. These 2 fingers, हमारी जो middle finger and the first finger, Tarjni, it will go slightly in between the eyebrows. The ring finger and the small finger, by this we will open and close our left nostril, and by thumb will open and close our right nostril. So what we will do, we will breathe in from left nostril. We will hold the breath for a while. आपने सुना होगा एक से भरे, दूसरे से छोड़े, दूसरे से भरे, एक से छोड़े. But what we are going to do, we are going to breathe in. We are going to hold a bit. I will give a count, and we are going to do it for 5 minutes. So the prana which we are taking within, we will hold inside, and then we'll breathe out. Acha, how we will breathe out? We will breathe in from left, and then we will open it from thumb, our right nostril, and we'll breathe out from right nostril. Then again we will hold. So now we have not learned to hold, but here we will hold a bit, Then again from right nostril we will breathe in, we will hold the breath within, and then we will breathe out from left, and we are going to do it for 5 minutes. Now what will happen while doing this? Maybe some थोड़ी गर्मी हो सकती है, किसी को थोड़ा बोर्डम हो सकता है, बेचैनी हो सकती है, या कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. बट आई विल टेल दैट लेट गिव चांस टू ओपन आवर, कोई जल्दीबाजी नहीं है. Let the nadi get open. 5 minutes we will do this. After this we will do a small meditation, a guided meditation with me, Panchakosha meditation we will do. So we are ready. Okay, let's start. So these two fingers in between the eyebrows, just lock our right nostril, breathe in, दाहिनी नासिका से सांस भरें, रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधा रखें, keep yourself muted, breathe in from left, and सांस को रोक के रखें, and breathe out from right, दाहिनी सांस छोड़ें. Now breathe in right, दाहिनी से सांस भरें, hold the breath, तो भीतर रोक के रखें, and breathe out. We have completed our one round. We will carry on. Now breathe from left. Hold the breath. Breathe out from. Hold. So रोक के रखें. Again, breathe from right. Hold the breath. And breathe out from left. मेरे इंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ रखिए. Breathing from left. पूरी सांस को भरे, सांस को भीतर रोक लें. Breathe out from right. से भरे तो दूसरी से छोड़ें. Alternate nostril. Hold the breath. सांस को बाहर रोक के रखें. Breathe in from right. Hold the breath. Breathe out from left. Breathe in from left. Hold. Breathe out. Right. Breathe in right. Hold. Breathe out left. Relax रखिए, रीढ़ की सीधी, spine erect. Breathe in from left. Hold. Last few rounds from right. Breathe in from right. Hold. Breathe out from left. Last round करेंगे. Again, breathe in from left. Hold. Breathe out from right. Breathe out from right. Hold. Breathe out from left. Slowly, धीरे से आइस पे रख दे. Please everybody be muted. सब लोग म्यूट पे हैं. शेखर यादव सर प्लीज म्यूट. Eyes closed, आंखें बंद. Arm facing the ceiling, on the lap or on the knees. Now we will listen to the instruction like a music and relax. निर्देशों को एक संगीत के जैसा सुनेंगे और विश्राम करेंगे. We'll do this process, this meditation, which is called Panchakosha meditation. It's time to relax and enjoy with yourself. So no effort. कुछ करना नहीं है. In a seat where we are sitting, sit comfortably. आराम से बैठ जाएंगे. If you need back support, you can take back support. If you want to stretch your legs, पैरों को फैलाना चाहते हैं, you can stretch your legs. Relax your shoulders, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ें, गर्दन को ढीला छोड़ें. It's okay if the neck and shoulder bend down during the process. The only thing we will keep our spine erect. कंधे या गर्दन अगर प्रोसेस में झुक जाए, रेस्ट में चले जाए तो इट इज फाइन. बस हम अपनी रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधा रखेंगे और आंखें बंद रख के पूरा विश्राम करेंगे. We have been resting in sleep, but here we will be aware as well as we will rest. यहाँ पर हम सजग भी हैं और साथ में विश्राम भी है. This is the deepest state we are going to experience. आंखें बंद रखें. एक गहरी सांस भरें. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. धीरे धीरे से सांस को जाने दें. No effort, total relaxation. एक और गहरी सांस भरें. One more deep breath in and breathe out. वातावरण में जो भी आवाजें हो रही हैं उन्हें ध्यान से सुने और स्वीकार कर ले. Accept all the noises in the surrounding. पंखे के चलने की आवाज, एसी की आवाज, किसी के बात करने की आवाज और any noise in our surrounding, just listen to it and accept all the noises. किसी भी आवाज को बाधा नहीं दे, ध्यान से सुन लें और एक्सेप्ट कर लें. Relax more and more. शांत. Now we are in harmony with our environment. अब हम वातावरण के साथ एक सामंजस्य में हैं. Relax more and more. Now become aware of our body. मन ही मन अपने पूरे शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाएंगे. Take a deep breath in, गहरी सांस भरें, with a smile on the face, and breathe out with a smile. One more breath in, एक और गहरी सांस भरें. Fill your lungs and breathe out. Take our attention to our right foot. मन ही मन अपने दाहिने पैर के तलवे के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. By the eyes of the mind, look to your right feet. Take our attention to our right leg and right knee. दाहिने पैर और दाहिने घुटने के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Right thigh and hip, दाहिनी जंघा और कूल्हा, and the whole of the right leg. Become aware of the whole of the right leg. पूरे दाहिने पैर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Now take our attention to our left foot. बाएं पैर के तलवे के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. बायां पैर और बायां घुटना. Left leg and left knee. Left thigh and hip. बायां पैर और बाईं जंघा. And the whole of the left leg. पूरे बाएं पैर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Just take your attention there. अपने मन को वहां लेकर जाएं. No effort. Effortlessly, we are watching our different parts of the body. Now take our attention to our abdominal region and below abdomen. अपने नाभि के निचले हिस्से के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Take our attention to our stomach and navel region. पेट और नाभि का भाग ढीला छोड़ दें. ढीला छोड़ते जाएं. Take our attention to our chest region. छाती के भाग में सजग के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Don't move a single inch. शरीर को बिल्कुल स्थिर रखें. पूरा विश्राम करें. Take our attention to our right shoulder and right hand. दाहिने कंधे और दाईं भुजा के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Take our attention to our left shoulder and left hand. बायां कंधा और बाईं भुजा. गहरी सांस भरें. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. ढीला छोड़ दें. Rest more and more. Take our attention to our throat and neck region. गला और गर्दन के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Take our attention to our face and forehead. अपने चेहरे और माथे के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Take our attention to top of our head. अपने सर की चोटी पर अपना ध्यान लेकर जाएं. Top of the head. And become aware of our whole body. पूरे शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. विश्राम करें. Relax more and more. सभी प्रयत्नों को छोड़कर विश्राम करें. एक और गहरी सांस भरें और धीरे धीरे सांस को जाने दें. Become aware of our thoughts. हमारे मन में जो विचार हैं उन विचारों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. अच्छे विचार हों, बुरे विचार हों, अगर हमारे भीतर कोई विचार है उनके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. एंड रिलैक्स मोर एंड मोर. एक और गहरी सांस भरें. वन मोर डीप ब्रेथ. एंड वेरी स्लोली, धीरे धीरे से सांस को जाने दें. Now we are in harmony with the thoughts. अब हम अपने विचारों के साथ एक सामंजस्य में हैं. Now become aware of our feelings. हमारे भीतर जो भी भावनाएं हैं उनके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Any pleasant feeling or unpleasant feeling. Become aware of our feelings. Relax more and more. You are joy. You are love and you are peace. आप ही खुशी है, आप ही प्रेम है और आप ही शांति है. गहरी सांस भरें. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ And breathe out. सभी प्रयत्नों को छोड़कर विश्राम करें. रिलैक्स मोर एंड मोर. Relax more and more. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. एक और गहरी सांस लें. Take one more deep breath in and breathe out. धीरे से सांस को जाने दें. एक और गहरी सांस भरें. One more breath in and breathe out. Again, become aware of our feelings. Become aware of our thoughts. अभी भी मन में कोई विचार है उनके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Become aware of our surroundings. अपने पूरे शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. And become aware of our whole body. पूरे शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Take one more deep breath in and breathe out. अपने शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग होते होते अपना समय लेते हुए बहुत धीरे धीरे से अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Very slowly and gradually, taking attention to our body and the surroundings. धीरे धीरे से अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. And very slowly you can touch your eyes and you can open your eyes. So welcome back. So how is the experience? Mind is little calm. अभी भी थोड़ा stress है, pressure है, or feeling fresh? Maybe some of us can write our
feeling very fine.
Very nice. Last 2-3 minutes we'll interact. We will listen to your experience and some homegoing instructions of 2 minutes I will share. And then we'll wind up our session. It's important to listen to your experience and some homegoing instructions. So आप अपना अनुभव बता सकते हैं how you're feeling, or if any of you have sir feel so relaxed that need कि नींद आ गई ऐसा लग रहा था. It feels like I slept. Yeah, very nice.
Feeling so relaxed, sir.
इको हो रहा है. विजेश जी इको हो रहा है. मे बी आप चैट में लिख दें, so everybody can. Feeling very relaxed. I know most of us will share feeling relaxed. See, generally we associate sleep with rest, but here you were resting also as well as you were aware also. आप जागृत भी थे और विश्राम में भी थे. This is called meditation, तुर्यावस्था. And with the help of breath, we can go into this state, feeling energetic. Yeah. So that's it. So what we can do, Mane, anytime you just sit for 5 minutes, take breath from left, leave from right, and then right and left. So what we can do after it, after doing for 5-7 minutes, like एक से ले, दूसरी से छोड़े, दूसरी से ले, पहले से छोड़े, eyes closed, and not in hurry. See, the highest investment of ours is in our mind, and what we do, I'll give you an YouTube link. I request Sekhar sir is here. He will share to you the master of meditation, like I conducted this meditation. So we have opportunity, if sitting at home, we can practice meditation with Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji. He's the founder of Art of Living, master of meditation. So his YouTube link we will share. What you can do every day if you want to attend live, 7:30 in the evening, there is no charges. Every day we can, 15-20 minutes with our family, around 25 to 30 lakh people every day meditating. So right now Navaratri days are going, so but there are lots of old recorded meditations are also there. 21 days meditation challenge. So what you can do little bit of थोड़ा आकड़न जकड़न ऐसे हटा करके you can do little bit of नाड़ी शोधन and then जो अभी हमने सीखा 5 minutes minimum, and then just play that and sit for 15-20 minutes. Just by watching our breath, you will go deep into rest. Acha, this rest of 15-20 minutes every day is equal to 6 hours of sleep. But it is not substitute of sleep, it's additional energy than sleep. But this is the deepest and highest stress. I got little back pain, no problem. What you can do when you are doing at home, you can take rest because आप लोग सुबह से बैठे हुए हैं, so it's possible. And then little bit of stretching, little bit of walk is important. I talk lots about food, so please take care of high prana food, sleep well. We should give highest priority to our energy, and then some breathing exercise, nadi shodhan, and meditation. So I'll share that YouTube link. Definitely we can practice by YouTube link. 15-20 minutes every day, and then lots and lots of meditations are there. So we have enough of homegoing this thing. Anybody wants to learn more, anybody wants to learn more of breathing exercises, Sudarshan Kriya is a periodic breathing exercise. When we practice, automatically mind come into the present moment. So much of stress goes. So we teach Art of Living online meditation and breath workshops also. So Shekhar sir will share that information. Anybody wants to join that 4-day workshop. So once you have done this 4-day workshop, you will appreciate meditation more. आपने किया हुआ है, आप उसको practice कर रहे हैं. So एक बहुत अच्छा tool हमें मिल जाएगा. So that is also one option, but otherwise YouTube पे जा करके you can definitely meditate. That's most welcome. And we will wind up our session, but genuinely, if anybody has some questions, you want to ask something, quickly we can take 2, 3, 4 questions. Then we will break for lunch. Everybody is answering. Yes, Sekhar sir, you want to?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Please.
Actually, this is scheduled up to 1:30. We are already 20 minutes late. So, and further at 3:30 again we have another session that will be our final session for tea. So it would be nice if we conclude within 5 minutes.
Yes, we can conclude now itself. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you very much, Anurag sir. Really, actually, from the last 4 days, we have been 5 days. We have been in so many lectures, research, and so many deliberations. And obviously, since the participants, almost all the participants are the assistant professor or professor, associate professor. So they might be busy with their schedule despite of this. So I hope this is hectic. But with your session, I now just feel relaxed. I also actually I was practicing, so I actually very tired out of this. This FDP is we are working hard since morning and since the late evening. So I get sleepy. In fact, I slept a little moment, and suddenly when I wake up, so I thought to do something further. So actually, I planned for validity and all. So I kept. So, but I'm feeling very relaxed. So, right. So thank you very much, sir, for your this nice session, and that is also related to the control. Now we have control over our this you can say mind or let's say something which is we needed at this hour. So we are quite relaxed with this. So thank you very much, sir. So with this, I would like to end up this session.
Yeah. It was wonderful. It was wonderful interacting with all of you, and the best is to implement in life. I always say that let's give highest priority to our happiness and mind. Yeah. So we attend so many sessions and all, but let's take a commitment here before dinner, before our lunch, that we will invest in our mind. Little bit of breathing, meditation, happiness will give priority to it. So if we spend quality time, then we'll spend quality time in our, working place, in our family. So that's it. I wish all the best and lots of happiness to each one of us. We are so strong. Each one of us are so strong here that small things will not touch us. So it's my best wish to everyone here. Let's blossom in our life, be happy, and make our society and nation proud. Yeah. So इसी के साथ मैं अपने वाणी को विराम दूंगा। बहुत सारी शुभकामनाओं के साथ।